Hey, Tech Tip Nest fam! Welcome back to the channel. If you've been experiencing lag while editing in CapCut or having trouble exporting your videos, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you few simple solutions to fix this problem and get your editing back on track. Let's dive right in. First off, let's open CapCut and load a project. For example, I have this video that I'm working on. If your project lags, especially towards the end where the CapCut watermark appears, here's what you can do. Go to the end of your video, select the watermark, and delete it completely. Sometimes the lag happens during transitions between your video and the watermark. If removing the watermark doesn't help, try trimming the very last second of your video. Cutting off that little bit can actually solve the lag issue. Now, if you're still experiencing lag after trying that, here's another method. You'll need to hit the reinstall button to refresh the app with a clean version. So there you have it. Few easy ways to fix CapCut lag on your mobile device. Whether it's deleting the watermark or freeing up storage, these tips should help you edit your videos smoothly again. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.